What's up, guys? I think I got my ping issue fixed up. Seems to be cooperating now. You will see I'm a bit ahead since the last time I posted, just because I had to like wrestle with a bunch of ping issues, and I got like a bunch of like 10-minute videos I didn't want to post. So in the end, it'll be okay. Really don't want to play more Mojave, man. No, good. I don't have to. Okay, what else? It's Central Conquests. I'm not playing East. I would go mental with the ping I have on East. I hope that Central will be okay. Oh. Oh, don't you fucking dare.
What the fuck? Oh, you're dead. Hey, you suck!
The only way to kill a tank is an engineer. The only way to fix a tank is an engineer.
Both those are factually wrong statements.
Oh my god.
Oh no, one of those is factually wrong. Also, I'm not sure what the fuck happened there. Oh my lord. Take that. Dude, I have no accuracy on this gun. Even though I have it on max accuracies, I could actually get it. Unless someone give me an attachment that can give me more accuracy. So I'm pretty sure I have it maxed. Yeah, I have it on max accuracy. You don't got like the grips and pistols, so it's more. Okay. Oh. Mainly just got molested by a helicopter and got finished off by the clock. That's sad. Yeah, we're losing this game really badly. We're fully out of bounds. Great, we got back inbound before we all die.
Oh my god, I hit it.
Watch TS. Yeah, I was fucked there.
Are we now?
That was a crazy play, though.
I don't think we're good.
Man, I like how we're only holding on A. It's kind of funny. He just pre-fired that. That's fine. Nothing I can do about it. Oh, there's still attacking point. There's two of them. Sick. We're gonna lose point A too. If we lose point A, we're completely fucked.
I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't think we're gonna make it. I spawned up there while we're being absolutely beamed, and I'm like, we're not gonna do this. You said we're fine. We should be fine. We're not fine.
I saw that. Yeah, that was gonna happen.
We lost this fight. We'll get them next time.
Well, I vote clear. Actually, no, I'm gonna go Iceland again because I really don't want to do Mojave, molestation, whatever. Completely think Clearwater is a better option here. It's just between these two, Iceland's the better option.
Yeah, at least random.
Fuck Mojave.
No, wait.
Don't. If it's gonna be fucking Mojave, I'm gonna kill somebody. Fuck. Yo, we were so close to at least having a decent map. I don't care if it's repetitive. Oh my god, I just want to play Clearwater, man.
You guys.
Hold up, where the fuck do I need to go?
I haven't-
Where's the... It's over here. Oh, I haven't been on the side yet. I was so confused. I've only ever been on the other side.
No,
I'm
there's the wrong
in
guy.
tank gunner.
Yeah.
John Wick is
I've not been on this side of
driving.
Mojave yet. Mojave. I don't even know what to call it.
Right into us. I'm in your little machine gun up top, by the way.
We got point B.
Oh, sick. What do I get with level 9? Yay! I get a fucking main gun.
Point C is being attacked. Point B captured.
Oh my god. There's guys.
Okay. There's still a guy. Got a guest down here. That's fun.
You just
How many main guns are there on
Being
this?
attacked.
Ah. Sick.
Tank. Tank inside.
No, I don't kill anyone with main gun. Like, well, you know, ideally even damage. I'm gonna be mad if I accidentally grab a main gun and hit someone with it. It would be so infuriating.
Oh. Got 1 second soon. Nice job. What? Wait, hold on. What
This
is
guy's like, nice job, drags me away. I'm just gonna respawn, it's okay. I hate this is it because the king of the draft is
Hostiles are
actually
attacking
really
point B.
annoying. I can go hook him point B. Does that mean I accidentally grabbed my main gun there? I'm not meaning to. Huh? Fuck off. Fuck off.
Enemy has control over point B. Point C secured.
Okay. Guy just used the impact grenade, not anymore. Oh, he's throwing more. Shit.
I like it. Like, okay, there's no situation here I can do anything with the gun I currently have. Impact nades. Hey, it worked. Don't diss the impact nades when they work. Why are they attacking C? Okay, I know why they're doing it, but could they still not?
Oh, shit. Tank on C, tank on C.
Oh my lord!
Enemy tank dead. Ah, shit. Oh, Robert!
I'll take it, because in the end I just wanted to kill that thing anyway.
So their tank, our team is full.
That was, they get out, I get in. That is peak.
Rift across the
We
screen.
finally have to over. Okay. Dang, I just saved you.
Enemy is attacking point B.
Yeah. I really need to get to level 10. I'm so close. Well, not really. But I'm gonna say I am. Let me spawn B. Let me spawn B. Let it happen. Come on, thank you. Yeah, I can't win that. Like, even if they had a Genesis, they would have won from that range because of how fucking, low I was. See, what's the point of spawning me out here when someone can just hold over there?
Been compromised.
Like, now I basically can't spawn. I mean, I'm going to. But this is pointless. Come on. If you're gonna spawn me outside of C when it's being attacked or congested, or contested, oh my lord, then you at least need to spawn me not in front of something.
It means you have to be in one spot.
Up top, they're in the rafters. They're in the rafters.
In the rafters? Or did they say we're not in the rafters? The rafters is so risky. Oh, that sucks. Anything but shooting them.
Bro, my headset could literally cook a egg right now.
We take it. That's a pretty good, like, life killing. How many X? Okay, it's actually respectable.
Thank you, medic. Thank you, medic.
Hostiles are attacking point C.
Oh my lord. I don't got the health for this. No, I do now. Dude, I was not winning that against the Genesis. Oh my lord. I almost did though. Loki, like being honest, I almost did, because he missed. This is a fucking war for C. Why did I not get capturing credit for that? What the fuck? Loki need that. The XP on those, that's so nice.
Point C is under attack.
Okay, playing in Raptors is really good. Oh shit, wait, Point C still under attack? Where? Oh. There's like a lot there. Okay.
Oh, teammate. In the lower rafter.
Hold up.
Point C's been
Why am I...
compromised.
You know what? Okay.
We got point A.
Oh shit. I'm in front of my
Yes.
best friends over here on the red team.
No.
They're coming up the steps. They're pushing their headquarters side of Bravo.
The enemy's halfway to victory. Point C's been compromised.
Yeah, we're gonna try to play around this back scene.
That thing, guys.
Nope, can't win that. All good.
Hostiles are attacking Point B.
You guys are queers.
I did spawn on B. I'm not sure why I spawned so far away from B.
Under Bravo, right under Bravo. Keep up.
I'm one shot. I just killed two.
I want my gun to like. Oh shit. Always.
No, that was
Literally
too
That was luck.
back there and you
Hugging your sister, good luck, I guess. Someone up there. That's scheduled. So I would bet someone up here.
That's right, it probably doesn't make you
I'll
feel
try
good.
to get up there even. I'm actually playing really well this match. Pistol only 29 and 13 is not bad.
Point B is being attacked.
Actually, this is like we're losing this game. It's not like I have like the winning team.
Hostiles are attacking Point A.
Okay, what is? Not happening. I gotta get full health before I can do anything.
Bravo by the guard. They're not in the guard check. They're between the Connex containers and the guard check.
Maybe I should have stayed up there.
18th headshot of the day.
They were
That
in
is
case
the
someone bought it.
spot right there.
Yo, who planted C4?
I killed one out.
Yo, never camp it.
Oh.
We got Point D.
Okay. We're taking. Oh shit!
Captured Point B.
I can't drive.
No, you bitch! Fuck you! You motherfucker! Fuck off! Revive me! Yeah, we making the battle, boys!
Wouldn't let me pull my pistol.
I
at all.
headshot him. I headshot him. What the fuck?
Oh, Kirk headshot me. I would have died anyway. Did you even? You did, but like it wouldn't have mattered.
Another one bites
My
the dust.
friends
I played like hell.
Enemies attacking Point D.
thing a part of
Can I have a menu? Thank you. I didn't realize I didn't have it.
Tell Rub that I enjoyed that RPG.
John, hee hee.
Tell Rub I enjoyed killing him with an RPG.
Why are you out of your tank? They're gonna
I know, I hit the wrong damn button!
Tank is low as shit. Okay.
There's literally like 10 of them here. We're defending with ours.
Maybe it's time to go for C. Yeah. Alright guys, sorry for this abrupt stop. I'm gonna go have dinner. So, this is fun. I will talk to y'all later. And yeah.